Willing to study in the US or Canada and wondering how to crack the GRE exam? Well, you are at the right place. Grab the golden opportunity to learn from the GRE expert. Let's hear what our students have to say.
Hi, I'm Jaskaran Singh of GTPIT Delhi. I'm preparing for GRE exam at SIEC and I'm confident of getting a good score.
Hi, I'm Jeshta and I'm from Delhi. I have given my GRE exam in December 2021 and I'm looking forward for admissions in Master in Architecture in the US.
I'm Kunal Singh and I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan, and I'm looking for my GRE exam in upcoming months and targeting USA admissions.
Hi, I'm Moksh Mehta from Mumbai. I had given my GRE exam in the month of December 2021 and I got a score of 310. Luckily, I got into State University of New York at Buffalo and I'm looking forward to travel to USA this fall intake for my aerospace engineering.
Hi, I'm Ramsha. I am from UAE. I am presently taking my GRE classes with SIEC and I will be giving my GRE exams in the upcoming months.
My name is Sheetal Bhatia and I am from New Delhi. I gave my GRE exam this month and now I am looking forward to pursue my masters in USA.
Connect with SIEC faculties and expert counselors to know more about test prep and study abroad process.